Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is regarding a very important topic, and that is how to avoid negatives in the examination. As you all know that we have our June 2023 CSIR NET examination round the corner. So at this particular time, you need to make sure that you are concentrating upon all the important parameters of your preparation, and one of the parameters are that you have to make sure that your negatives are avoided, or you can eliminate the negatives as much as possible. So in this particular video, I'll be giving you few of the tips from my end which could help you out to eliminate your negative marking in the examination. First thing first, if you're new to our channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In addition, we also have our application, we have our website. So do not forget to download the application and visit our website for all the information. So very first thing, in order to avoid the negatives, is make your facts as strong as possible. Make sure that you are repeatedly revising the concepts. Make sure that you are making sure that every single concept is revised at least 3 to 4 times, because sometimes we get confused between the two options, and having that confusion of two options can be eliminated only with repeated revisions. So very first thing is, try to avoid the negatives with the help of repeated and proper revisions. Proper revisions, by that I mean you need to make sure that you are clearing your doubts, make sure that you are clearing out all of your facts at least 3 to 4 times. Second thing is the previous year question practicing. Practicing helps us to eliminate our mistakes. Practicing helps us to understand that what is important, how to approach the questions, and also how to actually proceed in the preparation. Because अगर हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व आउट नहीं करेंगे, हमें ये समझ नहीं आएगा कि हमें किस तरीके से या फिर किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक से क्वेश्चंस कैसे आते हैं. सो सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, ट्राई टू हैव द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस practice specifically during this particular time. अगर आपने पहले नहीं करे, absolutely fine, but I would suggest you at this particular point of time, try to revise, try to prepare with the help of previous year questions. प्रैक्टिस करो, जितने ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. गिव द मॉक टेस्ट. आप जितने मॉक टेस्ट दे सकते हो प्लीज मॉक टेस्ट दो. एग्जाम में मॉक टेस्ट की प्रैक्टिस ही हमें हेल्प करेगी कि हम 3 आवर्स तक एग्जाम में स्क्रीन के सामने बैठ सके. यू माइट फाइंड दैट दिस इज नॉट समथिंग वेरी हेल्पफुल, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू, having the habit of sitting in front of 3 hours in the front of screen is very important. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स कंप्लेन करते हैं एग्जाम के बाद कि हम 3 आवर्स तक कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पाए, एंड द रीजन वाज स्क्रीन से हमें आईज में स्ट्रेन स्टार्ट हुआ. सो उसकी प्रेपरेशन अभी स्टार्ट होगी. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर preparing yourself for those 3 hours. Okay. Next thing, third important thing is, make sure that you are recalling the concepts. In addition of revising, recalling again plays a very important role. Revision के अंदर हम topic को open करके we just read it out. Recalling के अंदर close your notebook, keep it aside, and then try to think कि आपको कौन से टॉपिक्स याद हैं. वो आपको एक्चुअल में समझाएगा कि आपकी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, and that is something that helps you out to mark the answers in the examination. So make sure that you are revising, make sure that you are recalling, and make sure that you are doing the previous year question practicing. For the previous year question practicing, we have started a specific course for the PYQ practice sessions, जिसकी classes every single day we have it 8:30 to 10 a.m. early morning for all the units. So if you wish to enroll, we have given the link in the description box. Check it out. It would help you out for sure. So 3 important pillars right now that would help you out: previous year questions plus mock test, revision and recalling. These are the things that would help you eliminate the negatives. And also, like, let's add on one more golden point, and that is try to be like तुक्का मत मारना एग्जाम्स के अंदर. डू नॉट गो फॉर द गेस वर्क. वेरी लाइक इट backfires like anything. So try not having guesswork in the examination. It would backfire. If you're confident enough in a question, go for it. If you're not confident enough, try leaving that question. I'll make a separate video for the complete strategy about how you should proceed in those 3 hours, in those 180 minutes. But for the time being, understand that how can you eliminate the negatives in the examination. So this was a short video for you all. I hope it was helpful. If yes, do let us know in the comment sections below. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's reach new milestones very, very soon. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for all the golden words. Good luck. All the very best. Bye everyone.